A quick update on nipple conversion. Yeah, a quick update on nipple conversion. So far, so good. I'll go into more in-depth information once I, do just a little bit more testing. But so far, it's good. Yeah, I'm having a decent experience so far. It's been 3 set of prints. So don't get too happy, all right? Just know it's good so far. All right, let me show you what I'm talking about. Look, see, all these prints are with the nipple conversion, all of them. So as you can see, it's coming out just fine, printing just fine. The prints are actually awesome. Look at that. So colors are just right. So I have zero problems with the prints. None. Even the little tiny sections are right on point. Alignment is just fine. So again, so far I'm having very little problems with the nipple conversion. So there's that. All right. So till I go into more in-depth information, till I really make a video on the nipple conversion and how it's going and everything like that. This is just a rough, it's going okay. Three sets of prints so far, so it's going. No problems. Yet.